Your shirt's kind of like a cheesecloth. What happened? Do they look taller than me?
Just because we are.
What is hot here?
Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are here with our favorite bud tender, Danny, with no last name. Don't want to get him in trouble.
Hi.
And we are cooking up edibles. Woohoo!
All right, let's begin.
Wacky Tobacco, Laughing Grass, Mary Jane, Reefer, Sheba, Bud Tender.
Excuse me, do you want to make canna butter or?
Righteous Bush, Boom, Bobo, Swag, Bamba La Cha Cha. Queen Anne's Lace, go ahead.
Okay, to start with, we have to bake the cannabis.
That's called decarboxylation. Because when you smoke it, the heat releases the THC. Thank you, that's why he's here. In order to have that released, you need to actually bake it in the oven first. Let's see how he's grinding. Are you happy with his grind?
It doesn't have to be too small. Chunks are okay too.
Can I smell your fingers?
You're infusing the butter.
Okay.
So we're gonna bake this at 220 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes.
There's different strains. There's indica and sativa. Danny, you want to tell us a bit about that?
Basically, in layman's terms, the indica is used more for pain relief or if you're having trouble sleeping.
Oh,
or
my
if you
back.
and not talk to anyone for 16 to 20 hours.
You will not be the life of the party.
You're in the corner playing Pictionary all night or miming out crazy out of the wall guy. Whereas the sativa is more, I feel like going out and I actually want to talk to people. You should mention, in all seriousness, kids and adults, just because you take a bite and a half hour goes by, nothing happens, and then you take another bite, next thing you know, you've had like 6 cookies, pace yourself. Because it doesn't kick in right away. Next thing you know, you're Important tip number 2, don't mix the good cookies, meaning regular triple hoys, with what you just made. Label them. If you have kids in the house, just label it homework. And nobody will ever open it.
Once the cannabis is baked, we're gonna melt 2 cups of butter, and to that we're gonna add 1 cup of water, just so that the butter doesn't burn.
I feel like she's a mad scientist here.
A little bit. When the cannabis is baked, we're gonna add it to the melted butter, and that's gonna infuse in the butter for 3 hours. And you can leave it, but stir it once every half hour. When it's finished, you're gonna...
No, you're on camera. No, you're on camera.
You're gonna strain it through a cheesecloth.
Or Julie's shirt. Sorry.
That's a good one. And we're gonna pour the butter through to catch any of the leaves.
What do you do with the leaves afterwards?
So you discard the leaves, you put your butter in the refrigerator, and you let it harden up and separate from the water. And the point is to have a nice smooth butter as if it's regular butter, and use it in any baked good or on your toast.
That was my next question. Can I bake anything with that?
Open up.
Okay.
Oh.
I can bake anything with it? Yeah. Is that pure butter that you just put in my mouth?
Why you put it in his mouth? You don't do that. Our guest is gonna leave.
That's actual cannabis butter? Next time, like, give me a little heads up on that. I thought we were role playing.
If you like what you see, give us the thumbs up like button below. Subscribe to Bite Me More's channel and head to bitememore.com for more. bitememore.com.
Can I take a bite now?
Yeah, take a bite. Take it.
That was awesome. Awesome. I may get like 9 million. I'm not even kidding.
Lisa is a ganjapreneur. No?
Really?
But it tastes like butter, right?
It tastes like butter.
Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, well, is it gluten-free? Can I make it in a week from now, use it?
Yes.
Okay.
A month from now?
I don't know that answer.
2 months.
Again, I don't know that answer.
6 weeks, long weekend being one of them.
You two can get out of my kitchen.
Sorry, no.
That's her bagel.
Sorry. All right,